Learn English words with examples. Rampant. Something that is widespread and out of control. The fish was rampant in the pond. Inflation. An increase in prices over time, causing a reduction in the value of money. The economy can be affected by inflation. Deficit. A shortfall or loss. The store has a deficit in inventory. Susceptible. Likely to be influenced or harmed by something. The computer is susceptible to viruses. Fluster. To make somebody feel nervous and confuse. The loud noise can easily fluster anyone. Sporadically. Occasionally or at irregular intervals. The rain fell sporadically throughout the day. To watch more videos, subscribe our PEP English channel.